Okay, in today's Tech Nibble, I want to look at the new Nemotron 3.5 Lightning local large language model from NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA has just launched the Nemotron 3.5 Lightning. Now, it's a 30 billion parameter model, but it's a mixture of experts, which means that there are 3 billion active parameters at any one time. So to run it, you need quite a lot of memory. So an RTX card with 32 gigabytes of VRAM, or some kind of Mac with lots of RAM. I'm also using a Jetson 4, which has got 128 gigabytes of unified memory, which the GPU and the CPU can access like the Apple Mac. So if you've got a lot of that VRAM available or unified RAM available, you can definitely run this. And because it's that mixture of experts architecture, it actually runs pretty fast. I get 130 tokens a second on my RTX 5090. I get 66 tokens a second on the Jetson Thor. Now compare that to something like the Muse Glimmer, which is also a 30 billion parameter model, but it's a dense one. On that, I'm only getting 78 tokens a second on the RTX 5090 and just 12 tokens a second on the Jetson Thor. Now, what's it like in terms of capabilities? Can it answer the Alice question? Yes, it can, no problem at all. Can it answer the 7-minute and the 11-minute hourglass problem? Unfortunately, no, it can't. Now, it's designed for long-running agents. I've tried it with a bit of coding. Doesn't seem to be its very strong suit. For example, once I told it to implement something in C, and it went and did it in Python. And then when I said, why have you done it in Python? It goes, well, yeah, you told me to do it in C, but I've done it in Python. And you can use this Python version as a reference if you want to. So it can be a bit lippy in that sense. However, in terms of natural language processing, RAG and all that, it's been performing absolutely excellently. Love to hear in the comments if you've been playing with it too. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.